Hi, I'm Lucas Cameron, plant manager of Incredible Tiny Homes.
I'm DJ Wilder, tech support and supervisor over Off Grid.
And today we're going to be taking you through the DIY off-grid system that's installed in the iBox. We're going to take you through 4 subsections of this. Will be the startup and shutdown, the day-to-day operation, your maintenance, and troubleshooting. But first off, DJ is going to take you through the startup of this. We hope that this condensed video is a help to the homeowners and those of you looking to purchase an iBox to give you a full rounded scope of what off-grid living is. It's definitely a conscious life choice. There is definitely adjustments you have to make to lifestyle with this because you are your own utility company. So with that said, I'm going to turn it over to DJ and he's going to walk you through as if you had just got your iBox. Obviously, we have this here on a test area today, but if you were opening your closet cabinet door above the toilet in the bathroom area, this would be what would